Small details make perfection, but perfection is no small detail. Taking inspiration from this quote fittingly by Michelangelo, the greatest artist in history to have worked in marble, the RK Marble Group, the world's largest marble company, followed the same philosophy when they set up a sister concern, Wonderr Cement Limited. We operate for perfection and not mere targets. That is why, from its very inception, every aspect of this company, every detail, every element, every component, every cog in the wheel is stamped by our unmistakable unique stamp of quality. And it is this that enables Wonderr Cement to impart to each consumer the perfect beginning to their dream. The dream of creating flawless living and working spaces for themselves. एक perfect शुरुआत. Set up in Nimbahera, Chittorgarh in Rajasthan in 2012. Wonderr Cement Limited is an integrated cement plant with its own captive thermal power plant, railway sliding and limestone mines. Sustainable development and collective progress are the pillars on which the plant strives to grow and become the market leader in its field. The plant is fully automated with state-of-the-art machinery and the world's best German technology, with technical collaboration from the Thyssen Group and Pfeiffer Group, who are world leaders in cement technology. At the captive limestone mine, open-pit mining techniques are used to exploit the cement-grade limestone. The blasted material is loaded by the excavators onto the 55 metric ton dumpers and transported to the crushing plant for sizing. The crushed material is then transported by conveyor to the cement plant. Online quality control is done by the cross-belt analyzer, which for the first time in India combines CBA and CNA technologies. The other raw materials bought from other quarries are stacked and brought to blending silos through conveyor belts. Pre-blending equipment is installed for each raw material to get consistency in quality. The vertical roller mill grinds the raw material for optimum fineness. The finished product is deposited in a set of cyclones and transported to the silo by elevator. Pet coke grinding is done in coal grinding machine. After the preheater process, in the 75-meter long kiln, during pyroprocessing, clinker is produced by burning the finely ground raw meal. The final manufacturing stage is cement grinding. It is important to obtain a certain specific surface for the finished cement for concrete strength to develop. After this, cement is stored in 4 silos. The last process is cement packaging. Finally, the Wonderr Cement bags are transported by truck. We also have loading facility for rakes. The auto-loading technology is again the first of its kind in India. But the feature that truly sets the plant apart is the unique fully automatic robotic lab, the first of its kind in India. It automatically draws samples from various stages on predetermined intervals, transports it through well-laid pipelines, which is then analyzed by the robot. It then automatically sends signals to the CCR computers and online corrections are made in the raw meal processes wherever required. This ensures consistency in quality round the clock without any manual intervention. Today, we produce one of the best quality cements in India. The entire plant is automated and centrally controlled. Using 100% PET coke, the captive unit generates the requisite amount of power to run the whole plant. The entire design of the plant is based on the latest environment norms and is clean and dust-free. These various technologically superior features that are unique only to the Wonderr Cement plant in the country are securing the company a place among the leaders of the cement industry. And Wonderr Cement will soon expand its current capacity to 10 million tons by setting up 2 more production lines, for which land and layouts are ready. The first expansion has already commenced and the expected production date is end of the year 2015. Our strong dealer network is widespread and efficient, helping us to reach our valued consumers in all corners of our target markets. Always looking towards the future, we strive to build spaces that cater to the professional and personal needs of our guests and employees. Wonderr Cement Limited maintains a township for its employees adjoining the plant. The company undertakes extensive tree plantation drives to keep the environment as clean as possible. It also provides facilities like air-conditioned residential quarters, hostels, a guest house, and a shopping complex. There is an ultra-modern hospital in the works, a well-equipped school with every advanced contemporary facility imparts education to the students in an environment that is stimulating, friendly, and conducive to learning. In the evening, kids gather to run around in the playground in the middle of the complex. And staying true to the RK Group philosophy, no expense has been spared from the choice and expanse of the location, the sumptuous employee township, the private road and railway lines to ensure unhindered access for transport, education and healthcare for the employees, right down to the smart boards in every classroom and the smallest fixtures in every guest room. This human touch, this diligent, personalized attention to detail creates the perfect end product. The cement bearing our unmistakable stamp of quality that ensures the perfect beginning for all our valued consumers. At Wonderr Cement, we don't just shape lives. With passion and precision, we strive to enrich them, to journey with our consumers, to be alongside them every step of the way. From a perfect beginning towards a perfect future.